I just got in a new set of sheets from an Amazon brand called Mellanni, and I thought we could unbox them together. Here we go. So they came super fast. I'm all about a good Prime deal, and these were Prime and came to me within 2 days, so I love that. Okay, so here they are. I already love how they have like this striping detail like you would see in a hotel. I think that's super nice. Our bed's a king, so I went with a king size. Oh my goodness, they are so soft. Wow, okay, so here's the pillowcases. So I don't know if you can see like the little subtle stripe detail there. They kind of have a soft, satiny feel. Okay, let's put them on. Okay, so they are on and they are amazing. They're even better on the bed than they were unboxing them. Nice deep pockets, fit my mattress perfectly. I didn't have any troubles there. Love how it kind of has like that snug fit. Doesn't feel like it's going to wear up as we sleep on them. Cottony, silky feel. Love that. 10 out of 10 quality. I highly recommend. They will be linked in my storefront. You know the drill. Hope you love them. Bye.